Hey everyone, I've got something genuinely exhilarating to share with you today. You're in for a treat if you're a fan of speed, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Just a quick reminder before we move on, don't forget to like and subscribe to help me. Bugatti has just unveiled their latest marvel, the Bugatti Tourbillon. This isn't just a car, it's a statement, a piece of art on wheels. This isn't just any hypercar. This is a $4 million beast packing a jaw-dropping 1,800 horsepower. Imagine the sheer force and adrenaline rush that comes with that kind of power. Imagine that power under your foot. The sensation of pressing down on the accelerator and feeling the car respond instantly is something that words can hardly describe. So what makes the Bugatti Tourbillon so special? Let's dive right in. From its sleek design to its unparalleled performance, every aspect of this car is meticulously crafted. First off, let's talk speed. This hypercar can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than most people can even comprehend. Yes, you heard that right, less than 2 seconds. It's almost like teleportation the way it rockets forward. And get this, it can reach 250 miles per hour in just about 25 seconds. That's an incredible feat of engineering and performance. That's like blinking and finding yourself halfway across your city. The acceleration and speed are simply mind-boggling. Bugatti has set the top speed limit for the Tourbillon at 277 miles per hour. This makes it one of the fastest cars in the world. To put that into perspective, at that speed you could circumnavigate the Earth in just 90 hours. That's less than 4 days, that's right. 3 days and 18 hours of non-stop high-octane driving around the globe. It's almost like living in a science fiction movie. And here's a fun fact, if you could somehow drive straight to the moon, you'd get there in just 36 days at top speed. Imagine that road trip, the ultimate journey for any car enthusiast. Now, the Tourbillon isn't just about raw power. It's also about elegance, precision, and innovation. It's a masterpiece of engineering and design. Every curve, every line, every detail is crafted to perfection. This is the first Bugatti model created under the leadership of mate Rimac, and it shows. His vision and expertise have taken Bugatti to new heights. The car is named after a mechanism in high-end watches that counters the effects of gravity. This reflects the car's focus on precision and balance. Just like a tourbillon in a watch, the Bugatti Tourbillon is all about precision and performance. But there's more. The attention to detail is astounding. Bugatti is making only 250 examples of this hypercar, making it twice as exclusive as the Chiron. This level of exclusivity adds to its allure. Production is set to begin in 2026 and will be completed within 2.5 years. This timeline ensures that each car is crafted with the utmost care and precision. So if you have $4 million lying around and a need for speed, you might want to get in line now. The demand is already through the roof. This isn't just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and for those lucky 250, a dream come true. Owning a Bugatti Tourbillon is like owning a piece of automotive history. Alright, car enthusiasts, that's a wrap on the Bugatti Tourbillon. This car is a testament to what human ingenuity and passion can achieve. What do you think? Is this the ultimate hypercar? Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions are always welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more automotive content. Catch you next time. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and reviews.